Yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy Elton Benjamin. I'm back here again with another video. You guys know how we do it on this channel. We show love, we show support. So if you guys are new, please consider subscribing because I need the subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe and hit that comment, new follower, and I will check your channel out. With that being said, let's hop right into the video. So today I will be doing something really amazing. If you guys have seen my previous video where I spoke about things that you need in order to start a YouTube channel, this is the video that follows that, some things that you might need if you want to do vlogging. Right now, if you guys can see, I am actually outside. I'm outside of my house, so I'm on the roof actually, and it is very windy, but the audio still sounds great. You guys might be wondering, what am I shooting on? What am I using to do this? So first off, let me start off by saying what camera I'm using. I am currently using my Galaxy S9 Plus, and the footage is really amazing. This is the front camera. The front camera is not necessarily the best, but you can see the video quality is really amazing, especially when it's in really good lighting. So you guys have nothing to worry about if you guys have maybe like the S8 or the S7, or maybe you guys are shooting on iPhones. iPhone cameras are really great as well. You guys know that you guys won't have to worry about lighting and stuff like that, but lighting is definitely important. This is not a video about lighting though. This is about what you need for your vlogging and stuff like that. Now get to the audio. What am I using? I am using the Rode Video Mic Me, right? So basically the Video Mic Me goes anywhere around $50 to $60 if you guys get it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link below to the one that I bought. One mistake that I did though, I actually did not know that it was gonna come with the dead cat. The dead cat is basically the muffle that blocks the air from hitting the mic directly, which will reduce the wind sound when you're outside in a windy environment like such. Yeah, so I got that for $50 to $60, and the audio sounds pretty good. If you guys are wondering what it sounds like without the mic, let me plug the mic out right now so you guys can have an idea of what it sounds like without the microphone. Okay, so this is a quick test of what it sounds like without the microphone. This is the microphone right here. Yeah. So now let me show you guys what it sounds like without the dead cat onto it and just the microphone. It's a little tug of war here. So let me plug the microphone back into it so you guys know what it sounds like without the dead cat. So this is basically what it sounds like without the dead cat. The dead cat definitely does make a difference, and now in this point you guys might hear a little bit shakiness inside, like the wind hitting the microphone directly. Yeah, this is also some things that come with it. It goes into the female part of the headphone jack at the back of the mic. There's also this part right here that you hold to grip onto the phone. You guys see it's a Rode. It looks pretty good. It's really solid. Yeah, it's pretty good. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about the audio. Maybe I can be wrong, maybe I can be right. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So another thing that I am using for my vlog setup, it is the Joby. I don't know if it's pronounced Joby, but listen, I chop names up when it comes to these sort of things. But I am using the Joby GorillaPod, and this is like, I was really psyched when I got this. I was like my mic was coming, but I was really psyched to get this GorillaPod, because I normally use like the regular big stand tripods, but now I got a smaller one, and it feels really good. It's really comfortable in the hand. The grip is really nice. It goes around different objects, and it's pretty good. It holds your phone up really good. This is where I was actually making that video. Yeah, so that's where my my tripod was, and it stuck there like really good. Let me move around a little bit, shake this around, and it stays. The video is gonna be a little bit shaky when you shake it, obviously, but it stays there, which is really good. So the Joby GorillaPod is really good, and it's really not that expensive. You guys can grab it on Amazon for anywhere around, I think I paid $15 for mine. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but that's anywhere around that. That's what you can get this for. The last thing that I use when it comes to doing my vlogging is the AILUN. I don't know if it's pronounced Island or Island. phone mount. So this phone mount is really good. It has it holds your phone really good into place. The I don't know what you call those things that clamp down to the side of your phones, the clamps, the grip, it holds your phone really good into place. And there's like a little bit of rubber at the edge of it, so it really does not scratch your phone. If you guys don't have the Galaxy S9 or S8, with the regular phones have like the plastic corners, yeah, it might scratch your phones. Well, not this one, but like the regular ones that does not have the rubber grip might scratch your phones, but this one definitely does not. It works like extremely well. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what I use for my vlog setup. I'll leave everything that I mentioned in this video in the description below. You guys can go ahead and check it out. The most pricey things on this list is definitely the Galaxy S9. But if you guys do have a Galaxy S9, please trust me, it will not disappoint. It does not disappoint. Like, you guys should really try shooting on this. It's really great. Let me just show you guys some other clips with the vlogging mic, with my setup, and that's it for this video. It's a little bit too low. Pretty nice outside. The video stabilizer, which is my neighborhood, Brooklyn, boy. Yeah. So I'm still shooting on. I'm using the video mic me right now. Again, yeah, it's pretty nice. That's what it looks like out there. And this is the quality of the Galaxy S9 Plus with the thing set up. Whose shadow is that? It's mine. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment below that says new follower, and I will check your channel out. You guys know how we say it on after every single video. Elton Benjamin out. Stay up, folks.